Let's do it again.
Welcome to OLOP RV.
This is our YouTube channel, and this is actually our very first episode, and we're truly excited to get our YouTube channel kicked off.
I'm Curtis.
I'm
This
Jonathan.
is Jonathan. We're a married couple out on a 2-year adventure to capture the lower 48 states and see this country for its beauty that it has. Not necessarily in a campground, but all the wilderness that's in this country.
Absolutely, and we're completely off grid, so we're able to drive, camp, or boondock anywhere we please. BLM land, state parks, national parks. We don't need any utilities at all.
Walmarts, Cracker Barrels,
Yes,
all those places. Rest areas, all of them.
absolutely. And we're completely self-sufficient. We have 200 gallons of water,
Yes.
solar.
We have 2,310 watts of solar, 600 amp hours of lithium ion phosphate, battle-borne batteries, the best there is, battle-borne. No, they don't pay me to say that.
And we will get more detailed about those as we progress in our channel. We were very excited to be asked to go to a tiny home festival.
United Tiny House Festival, this one's in Conyers, Georgia, and it's about 400 and something miles from here, but we're excited to go. Looks like really nice people, and it's all charity, and to date they've given like $635,000 to local charities in the areas of where they go.
So we are definitely excited about just doing our very first tiny home
Festival. Yeah.
So right now, all we are doing is sprucing up, doing final touches that we want to do. There are a lot of things that we want to finish, but that'll be later, and we'll actually go talk to y'all about that a little later. Next week's video should be.
Yes. One thing you'll learn in the skoolie, it's never done. So we got to a point where it was usable, probably more than usable, but we got to a point where it was usable, and we said, we're off. And so we left a few months ago, and we've been enjoying the bus. We're home now for a month. We just got our first COVID Madeira shots yesterday, so we have 28 days. We have to wait until our second shot. So we're going to do some remodeling on the bus, not remodeling, but finishing up some projects. And this tiny festival came up, so
I'm driving down an empty freeway, no waiting for the light to change.
We're ready to spin our wheels and
Yes.
get going a little bit, doing some travel, and then kind of figure out what we want, and then we complete those projects as we need. We did spin our wheels in Florida, and we did the coastline. How do you say that?
yeah, the coast.
The whole entire coastline of Florida. We did the Atlantic side, and then we went to the Gulf side. We went to go see his mom's birthday party, 85th birthday party. So we had a wonderful time doing that, and that was the main event of why we wanted to go to Florida anyway. Other than that, we went to a lot of nice places, but we are truly excited to get going and travel, and we were excited to start our YouTube channel, actually.
Correct. So be patient with us. We're new. Neither one of us are very technologically advanced.
Not
So
at all.
We're learning.
Not at all. But I'm want to be nomads, but we don't want to follow the herd.
Yes.
We want to follow the warmth instead.
Yes.
So, truly excited about living off nature.
Off grid.
We were we realized we had way too much solar and we were scrubbing a lot. So we decided to add more modern conveniences to make our life easier on the road.
Right.
Instead of always using our stove to warm things up, now we have air fryer and a microwave.
Right.
So now we don't have to worry so much about scrubbing because we'll be using a lot more energy that way. And those little things make a big difference.
And ice maker that has become Jonathan's first love. You'll see more about the ice maker, but
I'm the ice queen.
yes,
If I want to get to know you, I always ask you if you want ice.
Yes.
And then after that, I'll introduce myself as Jonathan. But first thing is always ice.
it's quite funny. Thank you for watching. If you're still there, we appreciate it. Like, share, subscribe. All those things help us, and we appreciate it. And if you want to hit the bell notifications so you get notified when we do another video, that's also an option.
There you go. Perfect. All right. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Thank y'all. Bye.